Hey Geek, so as a creator, there's probably many pieces of software and tools that you use every single day. And so when I thought about it, what is the one thing that I use every day that I pretty much can't live without? At first, I thought, well, it has to be my video editor because without it, I can't edit videos. And although that may be true, it's not something that I use every single day. And the same thing goes for like some type of photo or image editor. I use GIMP as my primary image editor to do my thumbnails. And also, obviously, I'm using something like OBS to do all these recordings and videos that you see. And I use these software a lot. And as a matter of fact, it's nearly every day whenever I use OBS and this video editor. And then for my thumbnails and stuff, I'll use that whenever I have to create one. But those aren't the software that I use every single day. The one software that I use, and I honestly didn't think I'd use as much as I do, is something like this. This software is called GRSync. This is in a Linux Mint and other Linux distributions. But if you use Microsoft Windows or Apple Mac, you might use something similar. So what is this? This is a syncing or backup software. So this allows me to sync or backup files on my computer over to an external drive. And so if I ran this, it would go ahead and do a rsync. So it's syncing things up. It's seeing what is new on my computer, the drive that I chose. And then it goes ahead and backs that up on an external drive or another drive that I have on my computer. And the reason why I say this is something that I really can't live without is for the simple fact that having backups of all the things that you create, all the files that you have is super, super important, especially if you have a lot of videos and content. Because I've been through that before where I didn't think it was that important, but then for whatever reason, I had files get corrupted, I had files deleted, whatever the case might be, I simply lost all those files. And honestly, I don't ever want that to happen again. And so that's why it is so important that you have some type of backup solution, whether it's automatic or manual, whatever software that you use. I highly, highly recommend that you go ahead and find something that works for you and get into the habit of backing up the files that you have. So if you had any other thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments here below, and I'll see you on another episode. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.